Hey folks, welcome to a quick video here I wanted to make. I had a few people reach out to me recently just asking a bit more information about the course. One thing you guys can do, obviously, for those of you who don't know, you can go to just ImpactFX.club and you can read some student reviews. These are all reviews that you can actually find in the free Discord channel. People have added tons of reviews, guys. If you scroll up in the chat, tons of reviews from people that have taken the course as well as have taken the mentorship. All the information for the raw price action course is here, as well as there's the mentorship package and the S&D course. Some people have asked me, why is the course not included in the mentorship? That's because, guys, in order to keep price low, I wanted to give people the ability to go through the course, which has all of the information, and then once they're done that and watch that for a couple times. So I typically people are going and watching the course material twice, which takes about 2 months, maybe-ish, depending on how fast you do it. And then they'll jump over to mentorship to get a deep dive look into how we trade on a daily basis, as well as there's almost over 100 hours now in the mentorship group, guys, of more material. Now, these obviously are some reviews from mentorship students that are still in the group. But if you keep scrolling, guys, it will give you an outline of what's all in the course. And now there's actually even more stuff in the course because I've added more videos since the launch of it. But this gives you an overview of all the videos and what you can expect from the price. Now, if you go and click Get Access, this will take you to the free Discord group, which is just a channel where you guys can chat freely amongst yourself. And I also post different things in there from time to time as well. Now, with that being said, obviously, guys, I'm going to give you a quick example of what's in the course and the mentorship. So inside of the course is broken down, guys, into different modules. We have market structure, POIs, entry confirmations, putting it all together, back testing, mind games. Now, don't be distracted by these percentages. That's just my percentage complete because I haven't really actually mark them complete. But the whole course is actually complete, guys. This will just track your watched percentage complete. So, and now these have, as you can see here, it has 2 modules, but there's a few different trade recaps, obviously, guys, in each one of these. So this is like a 3-hour, it's almost 6 hours of video here, guys, just inside of one module. Okay, and if you go into each one of these modules, what you're going to notice is that it's got tons of content laid out perfectly for you for all of these different concepts, and you can mark them complete. You can add notes to them so that you can follow along. But there's absolutely just a ton of content inside of the course, guys, for you all. And then when you put it all together, there's just an insane amount of hours of content inside of this stuff. More than enough, in my opinion, for you to become successful, but at the end of the day, it's going to take work. This is not just a magic pill where you take my course and boom, you're an amazing trader. You have to put the work in. You have to learn how market structure moves, and I teach you all of that, but you have to put these concepts together in such a way that, makes sense to your own brain. Now, if we look at the mentorship content, guys, there's tons of content in here. Now, we have 40 trade recaps so far. There is 42 Zoom calls, and each Zoom call is roughly 2 hours to 3 hours. So there is hundreds, like over 100 hours of content inside of the mentorship, and we've got insane amount of detail going into price action, talking to the group, answering their questions. All my trading recaps, guys, these are like this trade recap is a live trade that I took with the group, talking as prices is playing out. I was at my computer and I was videoing this trade. And this is all live. So when I take these trades, these are live trades that happen. I take screenshots for the group inside of MetaTrader, so people know that I'm in these trades. All of these things are happening inside of the mentorship group. We've got weekly recaps, price case studies, community hangouts. Community hangouts is where I basically, anybody has a specific question, I'll answer that question inside of the group, and then we'll post that here so that it doesn't get lost inside of the thousands of messages that happen in the Discord group on a weekly basis. So guys, there's tons of information in here. Obviously, I'm giving you tons of information, guys, in the free YouTube. So you don't have to take any of this. You don't have to take the course. You don't have to come to the mentorship. But if you're struggling and you still want more information, I'm pretty sure any information you are hoping to find, you will find inside of the mentorship or the course. And so, I figured I would just make this video so that people understand what's in this. They know for the value, in my opinion, it's the cheapest course and mentorship you're going to find. And the value is worth 1,000 times what I charge. I've been told by a few people, why are you not charging like $1,000 a month for this? Because the content's so crazy. And the reason for that, guys, is the reality is I want you guys to be successful. This isn't about making money off a course. This is about, charging a fair price for all the information that's in my brain so that people take it seriously. And then at the end of the day, you guys need to do the work to put this into practice. And I'm here, in the mentorship group supporting people on a daily basis. So I hope that makes sense. And I hope that, this quick overview, might enlighten you guys in terms of what you can expect. Anyway, I'll leave it there. I hope you guys have a good week.